Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are going to talk about the interview session. This is series 2. So if you have not watched the series 1, so there's a link on the top. You can watch the series 1 also. So today we have a Pritha. So are you ready, Pritha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me ask you some basic questions of Python. So would you like to tell me what is a set in a Python and how does it differ from a list?
So sets are unordered, immutable objects which do not allow any duplicate items in them. But list allows duplicate items and they are very much ordered and mutable.
Oh, so would you like to tell me what are the properties in set?
The main properties in sets are they are ordered, they are unordered, they are immutable, and they do not allow any duplicate items in them.
Would you like to tell me the difference between the discard and the remove method in sets?
So the discard method will raise an value error when if the item is not present in the set, but the remove method will not raise any error even if the element is not in the set.
Okay. Can you store a list or another set inside a set? And if it is so, why?
Sir, we cannot store a list in a set because it is a immutable object. It is a mutable objects. Only immutable objects can be stored in a set. That is why we cannot store list in a set. Only
Okay.
immutable.
So, okay. So how does a Python handle a duplicate values in a set?
Sets removes duplicate values on their own because it doesn't allow any duplicate items in.
Okay. So what is dictionary in a Python?
A dictionary in Python is a key value pairs where the keys are unique and always mapped to a value.
Okay. So how would you use a tuple instead of a list?
So we will use tuples when we want to make a list of immutable objects which should remain unchanged throughout the program, like coordinates, database records, etc.
And say for example, how do you create a dictionary in a Python?
So we can create a dictionary by using a curly bracket and giving it a key and assigning a value within the curly bracket.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will ask you some of the questions and you have to tell me which Python will use. Okay, like if you want to use list, you say we can use list and why so. And if you want to use dictionary, so you have to explain me the reason why dictionary. Okay, so let me ask you one question. Let's say which data structure would you choose to store a collection of items where order is important and duplicates are allowed? Explain your reasoning.
Sir, we will use list because it allows the use of duplicates as well as it is very much ordered because it uses indexes.
Okay. So how do you store a collection of unique items and perform a frequent membership test efficiently?
Unique items. So for unique items, we will use the sets because it doesn't allow any duplicate items.
Okay. Let's say if you need to maintain a key pair value where key must be unique, which data structure would you use and why?
So we will use dictionary because it is designed in a way where it always uses a unique key value which is always mapped to a value.
Okay. Okay, that's it from my end, Peter. Thanks for joining. So if you guys like the video, follow for our channel.